I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to Search in HyperOS 2.0. This innovative feature lets you quickly find information about anything on your screen with a simple gesture. Instead of switching apps or typing, you can just circle what you see. It's designed to make your device more efficient and your search experience much more intuitive. To activate Circle to Search, you can often find a dedicated toggle in your Quick Settings panel. For some devices, you might need to install a specific application package, which then allows access via an app icon or a Quick Settings tile. Always ensure your Google application is fully updated to guarantee the best performance and access to all features. Once activated, performing a search is incredibly straightforward. Simply long press your Home button or tap the Quick Settings toggle to bring up the search interface. Then, use your finger to draw a circle around any text, image, or object on your screen. The system's AI will then analyze your selection and present you with highly relevant search results without ever leaving your current application. Circle to Search offers numerous benefits, significantly boosting your productivity. You can quickly get definitions, identify products, or translate text directly from your screen. This intuitive tool supports circling, highlighting, and tapping, making it versatile for many situations. It truly streamlines your workflow, saving you valuable time and effort throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.